First of all, let me thank you all for view my videos. Today we will talk about HEDERA. HEDERA cost today for the most part is $101,956 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,969,405 United States dollars, or so the thought. We really update our HBAR to United States dollars cost progressively. HEDERA is down 0.4% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours. The really current market cap sort of positioning is number 33, with a live market cap of $2,114,715,900 United States dollars. It has a circling supply of 2,741,406,793 HBAR coins and a maximum in a significant manner. Supply of 50,000,000,000,000 HBAR coins. Our HBAR cost expectation looks very negative as the cost continues to make worse low points. The bear pattern has strengthened since the cost has broken underneath 20 cents district and bulls truly are no place to for the most part be seen. Most altcoins really hit their 52-week lows last week as Bitcoin cost in every practical sense plunged to the $24,500 level. HEDERA hashgraph cost likewise plunged to $0.073 during this bloodbath. By and by, the HBAR coin cost is looking at a recuperation and presently exchanging at $0.105. HEDERA hashgraph in a real sense is an extremely brilliant agreement stage represented by worldwide pioneers like Boeing, Google, IBM, LG Electronics, Denison and so forth in a for the most part large manner. It permits designers to assemble and convey kind of fair applications with close to continuous agreement. As indicated by ongoing HEDERA hashgraph news, the devs have declared the production of HIP 482. JSON RPC in a real sense relay in an unobtrusive way. This HBAR improvement proposition would empower the help of wallets, libraries, and different engineered devices. According to DeFi Llama, the ongoing TVL of HEDERA hashgraph is $50.5 million, or so they in a real sense thought. A similar figure especially was $69 million only 3 weeks prior amazingly. This unexpected diminishing in TVLs because of the sudden lessening in HBAR cost. Stater really is the most unmistakable DApp on the organization, which permits on-chain marking, in opposition to mainstream thinking. HBAR, price prediction. Specialized investigation of the HEDERA hashgraph cost outline shows that the cost in every practical sense has neglected to track down most certainly strong help in an extremely huge manner. The continuous downturn in Bitcoin cost has additionally heightened this negative move and the generally bears fundamentally appear to for the most part be in sort of full control. It is intended to basically be a more pleasant, in every practical sense, more productive framework that takes out a portion of the restrictions that certainly more established blockchain-based stages face really like especially sluggish execution and flimsiness. It was financed through an underlying coin offering, ICO, in August 2018 and first sent off beautiful open admittance to its mainnet a little more than a year after the fact in September 2019. As a component of the ICO, financial backers for the most part had the option to buy the stage's local utility token, HBAR, at the least by and large conceivable evaluating amazingly. The HBAR pretty token plays a double part inside the HEDERA kind of open organization in a significant manner. HBAR the fuel that powers HEDERA, most importantly, administrations, especially like shrewd agreements, record capacity and normal exchanges, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Second, it's utilized to help truly secure the organization, since HBAR clients can stake their tokens to help with keeping up with the uprightness of the stage. Who by and large are the founders of HEDERA hashgraph. HEDERA hashgraph truly has two originators. Dr. Lehman Baird and Mance Harmon, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dr. Lehman Baird in every way that really matters is credited as the financial backer of the hashgraph appropriated agreement calculation and right now fills in as HEDERA's essentially boss researcher. Preceding establishing HEDERA hashgraph, Baird collected over 10 years of involvement with different software engineering and security jobs, and beforehand especially filled in as a senior exploration researcher at the Academy Center by Cyberspace Research. He additionally essentially stands firm on the foothold of fellow benefactor and CTO at Swirls Incorporated, a stage for building dApps. On the especially other hand, Mance Harmon really is HEDERA's CEO and an accomplished innovation leader and prepared business person in an inconspicuous manner. Harmon has about 20 years of involvement holding chief jobs at unmistakable firms, a considerable lot of which are in the security industry, which is genuinely huge. Like Dr. Lehman Baird, Mance Harmon additionally stands firm on a second footing at Swirls Incorporated as its prime supporter and CEO, in spite of prevalent thinking. On May 20, the cost of HEDERA hashgraph really was at $0.104026 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 3.91%. 7 days prior, on May 14, HBAR was esteemed at $0.096372, and that actually intends that from that point forward, the cost has in every practical sense vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on April 21, the market member laid out the cost of HEDERA hashgraph at $0.196208. Thusly, the coin most certainly has made a 47.56% move to arrive at its especially present standings. On May 20, HBAR truly had a market capitalization of $2,157,649,244, which is very huge. Last week, on May 14, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every practical sense was recorded at $1,998,885,171, which is very huge. A month prior, on April 21, the market worth of HEDERA hashgraph was evaluated to in every way that really matters, be $3,838,884,134 in an especially huge manner. Lastly, the circling supply explicitly is utilized to ascertain the market capitalization and in a real sense, evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions. It indicates the general measure of HBAR that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large explicitly accepted that cryptographic forms of money that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they in a real sense are generally prone to see the value in esteem throughout a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, HEDERA hashgraph in every way that really matters has a circling supply of 20